Hello friends, so today South Africa races. So first time I am making the video on South Africa races. Hope I think it will go very well. So today I will be speaking only in English, not in the local language. Okay. So first race will start around 4 p.m. from Indian time. Okay, and South Africa it is taking race is taking at Kenilworth. Not taking much time. Directly coming to the selections. Okay, first race I like number 7 Jet for Time for win and place. Seagan is a very good jockey over there, and win percentage is around 20 to 25%. And again, Bass Robinson also a good trainer. Last time this horse was kept very behind at 11th position, then came to the 7th position and finished third in 1200 meter. Now 200 meter more to run, so this horse will definitely make the frame. Okay, with good odds around 3 to 1 or 4 to 1. Maybe over here number 5 and number 3 maybe first and second favorite. I really don't know the odds, but 5 maybe 5 will be favorite. SJ Snaith over there is a very good trainer, keeping very too much horses with him. Okay, so first race number 7 Jet for Time is selected for win and place. Okay, safe player can bet for only place. Okay, coming to the second race. Second race is a tricky race, 1000-meter race. Not taking much time. I am selecting number 6 for win because his debut, and this horse is bred in Australia, and G. Van Niekerk, he is a very good jockey over there, and this horse is showing good on track and good on trials also. So maybe according to pedigree this horse should win. I am selecting this horse for win. Okay, so second race number 6 win. Coming to the third race, this will be this running on the straight course 1200 meter. It's a maiden race. Okay, number 1 Frosty has came second last time, tried hard but outrun, could not manage to make the frame, so was very unlucky over there. Today maybe it will be number 1 Mr. Frosty will be very short price fancy, but I don't like short price fancy favorites. So over here I have selected number 2 West Coast Wonder for win and place. Okay, so R4E is riding this horse. In jockey has changed from G Bear to R4E. R4E is a very good jockey over there, can increase the horse handicap and make the frame. So in the third race I am selecting number 2 West Coast Wonder for win. Coming to the fourth race. Fourth race is a 1200 meter maiden races. Again this will be a very tricky one. So over here not taking much time. I like number 3 place. Okay, not wasting much time over here in this race. Coming to the fifth race, it's a 1800 meter race, class 1 handicap. Okay, so over here I like 2 horses. First is Night Song. Last time it ran at Durban Valley 2000 meter with 59 kg weight, and ran second 2 length behind Fort Agopian. Okay, now coming back to the Kenilworth. Last time he has won in the Kenilworth in the race 322. Okay, in the hands of same jockey I think so. See again, and the winning margin was only 0.4 length. Okay, so over here there will be a little bit difficulty for him to make because the weight has increased from 53 to 59, but I don't think so any threat for him over here. The only threat is Kabira Hall from R4E. Now this horse will be ridden by G. Van Niekerk. He is a local favorite over there. This horse comes in handicap to beat Night Song and can make this frame also. So here over here, please bet on 2 horses at longer odds. Number 2 Night Song win and hedge with number 6 Kabira Hall win. Okay, so this will be a very tricky race, but again you will get good odds, and if both of these horses could make the front, then you can make a good amount of money. And coming to the 7th race, number 1 Grecian Light won after 3 months break. Okay, had a very good timing of 57.16 seconds in 1000 meter. I don't think so any threat for this horse over here. The only threat is number 5 Oh Water Knight. Has won 3 races in a row, but again this horse will be on the promotion, and it will be difficult to beat number 1. So anyways, you can bet number 1 win and hedge with number 5 Oh Water Knight. Okay, and coming to the 7th race of the day, it's a class 2 handicap race, 1400 meter. Little bit of a tricky race over there. Lilac Sensation was a winner last time with jockey R Fourie. Now going with the same weight, but again Wild Creature was also ran in that race, Lilac Sensation race, but over there A Domier was riding this horse, but now K Demilo is a very good jockey against K A Domier, so this will definitely increase the chance of this horse to make in the frame. So I am selecting number 5 Wild Creature for place. He can beat Lilac Sensation on handicap also. He is going 1 kilo less. So Wild Creature comes in the handicap frame. So I am selecting for only place. Okay, Wild Creature. And coming to the last race of the day. Last race of the day is a 1400 meter class 1 handicap. I like number 1 Giacomo Puccini. Okay, so this horse has ran in the same class, came second, 1.5 length behind Adios Amigos, but he is running in the same class. Last time was kept handy and second best. Over here there will be a threat for him, will be number 5 All About L. Okay, All About AL. So this horse has ran only twice in his career. Last time he was second in 1200 meter, 1250 meter length. Now 150 meter more to run. So this will be difficult for him. Maybe this horse will be favorite over here. Okay, and this horse has a habit of going late. Okay, so he charged up very late. That's why this horse will be favorite. I think so. So again in the last race, number 1 win and hedge number 5 with 1. Okay, so two Indian races have wind up all because of Corona. RWATC has mentioned that they will not conduct any race due to Corona, and on Friday there is one race, Kolkata. That will be the last race. I will be posting Kolkata races also. So from today onwards I will be posting South Africa races. So hope all the best, friends. So let's see how will be the results. I need your support, friends. Thank you very much for support.